strong but lightweight trekking pole, consider the 3K carbon fiber pole from Cascade Mountain Tech. Our 3K poles use a woven carbon fiber, which provides a more pliable shaft that can handle stresses from all directions. In order to construct a pole that was truly ultralight, all 3 sections of the 3K shaft were designed with the woven carbon fiber, resulting in poles that weigh a mere 8 ounces each. Our 3K poles use a telescoping design and are built with our tried and true quick locks for easy adjustment. The poles measure 26 inches when fully collapsed and extend to a length of 54 inches at their longest. Breathable and moldable cork grips with adjustable wrist straps are fitted to the top of each pole to help you keep a firm grasp, even if your hands get wet. We've also included an extended lower foam grip to keep your hand comfortable when trekking up a steeper slope. Once you're ready to hike, make sure to set your poles to their ideal height. Turn the thumb screw until it is somewhat difficult to press down, and then clamp down the quick lock closed. If you put weight on the pole and it slips, you'll need to tighten your thumb screw even more. The 3K carbon fiber trekking pole has a durable tungsten carbide tip and comes with our bonus 5-piece accessories kit, which includes rubber tip covers, rubber boot covers, snow baskets, mud baskets, and a pole clip. Each set of poles is sold with a carry bag that features a zipper pouch in front, allowing you to conveniently store your tip cover options when not in use.
Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to quickly assemble your Foxelli trekking poles. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this Velcro strap right here. So you can just pull that off, and you can do one of 2 things. You can take it all the way off, or what I do is I just wrap it tightly right back around. So that is step number 1. Step 2, after you have the Velcro off, you're going to hold it by the cork grip and then just let it fall. Once you've done that, step 3 is to connect the sections to themselves. Now it helps to start with the very bottom section first and snap that into place, then the middle, boom, and there you go. After that, step 4 is to hold on to the handle and pull the last section down until you hear that click. And you can see the little button right there that is holding that in place, and that is how we release it as well. So we're gonna pull that out until it clicks, just like that. Once you've done that, the last 2 steps involve opening this flip block right here and adjusting the poles to your desired length. Now, when you're adjusting your poles, you want to get them so that when they hit the ground, your arms are at a 90-degree angle right there, nice and comfy. So once you have your desired length, you're gonna open the flip block back up, and you're gonna turn this screw right here just about 1/4 to 1/2 a turn so that there's a little resistance on the flip block holding your poles in place. So now you are good to go.
Cascade Mountain Tech's aluminum trekking quick lock poles come with a quick flip lock for easy head adjustments and are offered with either EVA foam or cork grip handles with padded adjustable wrist straps. All of our quick lock poles also include an extended lower EVA foam grip, offering another comfortable hold point meant for going uphill. Each of our aluminum poles weigh 10.4 ounces and adjust from 26 inches collapsed to 54 inches fully extended. These poles have a durable tungsten carbide tip and come with our bonus 5-piece accessories kit, which includes rubber tip covers, rubber boot covers, snow baskets, mud baskets, and a pole clip.
The great outdoors are teeming with adventure. But without the proper equipment, you're not reaching your full potential. But thanks to BAFX hiking poles, I don't think twice about going that extra mile. BAFX hiking poles come with 3 different tips to prepare you for whatever lies ahead. I feel stronger climbing uphill and safer coming downhill. These poles are a perfect fit for beginners to experts, children, teens, adults, and seniors. I can modify it to fit any height and lend it to my friends and family. I'm a huge fan of the extra wide padded wrist straps, which makes long hikes an absolute breeze. Plus, the anti-shock feature in each pole helps make the most comfortable poles you'll ever use. If you're a backpacker or long trail hiker, you'll love the support and balance you get with these. Trips just aren't the same without the right equipment. Support your body with hiking poles.
Hi you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to open your high stream gear trekking poles. First, you're going to let the poles drop down and they're going to lock into place on each other, okay? Then you're going to take the third pole, which is hidden at the very bottom, okay? You're going to pull that out and you'll see the pattern. It's little circles and they turn into little hexagons. Pull that down and you're going to pull all the way to get the ball lock, okay? Now for the next part, this is your flip lock. This is white, black, or many other colors. Go ahead and lock that to the position you want. I'm a little taller, so I'm gonna put it up a little bit higher for myself, above the 120 centimeter mark, and I'm good to go. Now, to take it down, undo your flip lock, undo the ball lock. Go ahead and push that third pole all the way up there. The other two poles will collapse, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.